Any other alcohol products are not to be consumed on board and please withdraw from board. Bob is a duty-free show and the imports from a boat from an lunch on board duty-free service must remain sealed until we get to our destination. Finally, the crew on board are looking forward to taking care of you on this flight. Please treat them as your fellow passengers with the courtesy and kindness that you would expect in return. Thank you and enjoy your flight today.